Your man Diamond K in here. So much going on. Two Marylanders have met with the U.S. Center for Disease Control and Prevention. The criteria has been met for them to be tested for the coronavirus. This is the epidemic. Well, it's not. I guess it's not a pandemic, but it's getting there. It's teeter-tottering on that. So Governor Larry Hogan said that both patients recently returned from China, and health officials are evaluating a possible third case of the coronavirus. The governor said that $10 million in response funding for a potential outbreak has been submitted to lawmakers. So they're trying to gauge what's going to happen. Of course, the president is saying, nothing to see here. Don't worry about it. We got everything under control. He's talking some craziness like there was 15 cases. There's 60 cases in this country right now. So the coronavirus has a lot of strange things about it. It seems like older people are becoming affected. Like kids haven't really been affected, and people in the lower 20s, but people with pre-existing conditions and some other ailments, they have been affected by this. No telling how it's spreading, no telling any of that stuff as of yet. The governor said this: "I want to assure Marylanders that our state is taking every precaution when it comes to the coronavirus because our highest priority is keeping our residents." Let's make sure to keep the residents. His main priority is to keep the residents safe, right? Keep the residents safe. Hogan continued, "While we are hoping for the best, we are actively planning for the worst." I wish that the president could be like that. You know, it would kind of make people feel a little bit more comfortable. The news conference that Governor Hogan spoke about things, which was held at the Maryland Emergency Management Agency headquarters in Reisterstown, he said that he spoke with Vice President Mike Pence, who Donald Trump asked yesterday to lead the coronavirus response from the federal level. You know, Larry Hogan and Mike Pence are homeboys, right? Anyway, Hogan stressed that there is no immediate public health threat to Marylanders. It's so strange. How can they say that? They don't know when the immediate threat is. Is that when the outbreak happens? That everyone should be on high alert. If everybody's on high alert, to me, that's immediate threat. I don't know. Last month, 2 Marylanders were tested for the virus, which originated in China. The 2 that were tested last month, both were negative after everything went through. As of today, the virus has reached 50 countries with more than 82,000 confirmed cases worldwide. Congressional leaders are poised to approve billions in new funding for the CDC. So we gotta figure this out. They may be up to a year before they find a cure for this coronavirus. It's really something that has people worried, has people concerned. They want people to make sure that you are doing a number of things. We're gonna go over a number of things that people can do. We definitely want schools, daycare centers, workplaces to make contingency plans. But the politicians right now are saying there's no public health threat. They have to say that. Even if there's a public health threat, I think that they would probably be wording it some way to try to calm people down. So there's no cure for the coronavirus, no vaccine for it. They really want to encourage Marylanders, everyone really, frequent hand washing. Cover your mouth and nose while coughing or sneezing. And this is something that people really need to nail down on. Stay home if you are sick. Stay home if you're sick. How many people go to places of work and people come in, they're sick. You can see they're sick. They're sick, right? Oh, ain't no time left. Well, I don't want to use my time. The time that it's going to take for you to recover from the coronavirus is 2 weeks. Speaking of 2 weeks, all U.S. Navy ships in the Pacific near the countries with the coronavirus have been ordered to self-quarantine for 14 days. Anyone who returns to Maryland from China is asked to monitor their health for 14 days after leaving China. U.S. officials are warning Americans to avoid non-essential travel to Italy, Japan, South Korea, and of course China. In the words of Snap, for people that remember the rapper Snap, is it Chill Rob G? I'm sorry, Chill Rob G. The words of Chill Rob G is getting kind of hectic. All right. You listen to the Diamond K Show here on Radio on Fire. Stay tuned. We'll be back after this quick break.